explain how a VSC looks like. Basically, this is the screen that you see. First thing you gotta do is like make autosave on. So whenever you're changing something, right, it is very helpful because it auto saves and you don't have to keep on pressing Ctrl S or coming here and saving everything that you do. So that's the first thing you do. This is the section, the Explorer section. This is the search section. You can navigate directly by using Ctrl Shift F and it will take you to this section. It's very helpful in searching something in your code. Source control is the part where you start looking for whenever there is a code to push. When you're using GitHub, it's very useful feature provided by VSC. And this is the extension, the run and debug section, where you might come to this a lot if you're debugging your code, writing if you're finding some issues with your code and you want to debug, you can use this feature. And this is the one extensions which is like a marketplace, just like Eclipse had a marketplace, and other IDs have a marketplace where you can download software extensions, plugins, not software but plugins and tools and stuff which are integrated with VSC that will allow you to go ahead and work on, right? And if there's a recommended extension that we have added in the code, it will come in this section, which will help you to start it will come as a suggestion, and if it's your choice whether to install it or not. So it's basically that. But since you saw that I clicked on the Copilot one part, so it got installed automatically. And if you want to read more about Copilot, you can just go ahead and see what it is all about. It's a very, very useful AI tool, and I would recommend everybody to do this the first thing they come to VSC, because this is very, very helpful. You can close this window if you don't like it, but there's this section at the top, the drop down. You just click here and open chat, and it will once again open this section for you. Second thing is there's this option of Control Shift Alt L. You can just try that as well. So if you want to quick chat with Copilot, you can do press Control Shift Alt L. So I just close this and press, and there's this small window that opens at the top, and you can ask Copilot anything that you want, like how to install Playwright, let's say, right? So it will give you some context to get started. Okay, so it's a very useful feature that you can use while working on VSC. You can see there are other models available. So these are all the models that Copilot uses. So this is I think the latest one is 4.1. I'm not sure which one is the latest, but there are other models. You can see Claude 3.5, Gemini is I think Google is using this one, and there are many models, and you can add more models as well. These are the models that are available for you to work with. And if you want something else, you can just click on that and start working on it. Yeah, and the shortcut to open the open chat is Control Alt I. So if I just press that button, you can see the Copilot has once again opened, and you can add your questions over here whenever you're working on something, right?